up, guys? It's your boy T, FJRT, and in this video, if you saw my last video, check out the new update for the biggest massive update for Animal Company. But this time we're gonna be checking out sewers, and in the next video we're gonna be checking out mines. And then, of course, but I brought my friend with me. You see him right there? Yeah.
Yeah. Hello. Hello.
Yeah,
I
but
haven't been in his videos for a long time. I've been asking him, and he said I will be in it, and he never did.
Yeah. Some of the footage kind of got corrupted while I was trying to edit them on my PC. So yeah, I lost good content, views, and also fun.
He did.
But yeah, let's go now. Let's go.
That doesn't bring fun.
Okay.
Bro, why are you going to mines? We're going to sewers.
Oh yeah, sewers. That's in the next video. See, this is what I hate. You can't grapple on this. It's fine. Don't.
What the heck was?
Follow. I think I know the ways.
Look away when the bomb's walking towards you. Okay.
The flashbang. Only the. Oh.
Yo,
Run!
behind you.
Oh, there we go.
Don't worry.
You a diamond
I need to
knight.
go get flashbang.
Watch out. Say Hummer. No, come back. Come back.
Yo.
Don't go there. Kaboom!
Hey.
Hey, an extra light source. On.
Ow.
Extra light source.
Yo, mimic. Yo.
Here. I got it.
Yo, it's actually confusing. Why is it targeting you, not me? Yo, let's like ping pong. Ow.
Ping pong.
Get back away, bro. Back away.
He's down.
Okay, we got him. Bro, how much health do you even have?
Hold on. Do you wanna know the bad part? My rec controller's at
What?
my rec controller's at 10%. So yeah, my rec controller might die during this. Oh, here I found.
Oh, you found it.
Huh? See, you can't grapple on this one, only on this view stuff. But follow me.
Yeah, so you can't escape from red light, green light.
You can't.
have to go past
They ruined it. Stop.
No, they actually made it better. No, when we get in its light, that's when we can move. Yo.
Alright, let's go. Huh.
Yo, we have to get seen by the big bomb for... I'll get over there.
Hold on. I died! Revive me!
Okay.
How did I die?
Because the big bomb, two big bombs. You're cooked. This is why I tell you not to
Stop.
jump.
Go.
I know, bro. I'm not old. You're cooked. Oh, you're not cooked. Oh wait, your butt. Ow.
My bad. Alright, let's go.
Bro, why did you start it when you were so cold? Okay, let's go.
Oh, what's up, guys?
Yo, what was that scream?
See, you're lucky. You know what? No. Since grapplers are useless now. Screw that.
Oh, we could use those zombies.
Nah. I'd rather go solo. Yeah. Let's go to zero grab. Let's go to zero grab, shall we?
Okay.
Okay, you're basically lucky because you have a teleport gun while I have to work with my arms. you. Alright.
Yeah, you're lucky as well because you're
But
not
I'm still
as bad
cooking
as
though.
me.
I'm still cooking. I'm still cooking. That's the good part.
Yep, you are still cooking.
My friend Stefan's calling. Come on, join the call. Join the call. Oh, what's up?
Okay, well,
What's up? Come on, join the group call. All right. What's up? Woo-hoo. Yeah, what's up? What's up? I'm sorry. I'll give you all of my robots. I'll give you all of my medals. We're playing Animal Company. I'm already at first hobby. Huh. Michael, go on nap. Alright, Michael. I'm on nap. Let's go. Yo, Michael, you there? God, this is so bad. Then I'll die with you. Alright, I'm back. What's up?
okay. Well, we can't go to Sirius because it's too hard, so let's just go there. Let's just go to mine.
Never mind, guys.
Because we saw it.
Actually, I'll do a part 2 on mines, but in the meantime, we're gonna go to mines. So, like, if we ever die, we're gonna end the video there. Then we're gonna go to mines in the next video. And the next video may be a video of him and me building a city.
Yeah.
Who knows?
For his new movie that's gonna come out.
Yes. Hold on. I need batteries. That's what I need. I need batteries.
No, you need money in here.
No, I need batteries for my controller.
Oh.
Cause like, my right
mine.
controller's at 10%. So like, yeah.
Bro, they're both at the same percent.
All right, come on, let's
They're
go.
both at the same.
You are gonna have to
For a
mine.
second.
You mine and I'll collect. I need backpack. I'll collect. Alright, let's go.
Yeah, let's go.
This should make us money because I'm broke. I sold all of my suitcases and that didn't do anything.
Okay.
Don't get focused on what's it called research points. Wait.
Okay, well, I need research points. Ow. I just hurt myself. Ooh, big chunk. Ooh, we got them. Okay. Let's go on this side. This one is where Armstrong lives, so we're not going there. Wait,
Now let's go. Yeah, never mind. Purple monkeys there.
Oh yeah.
Go down a level. Yeah. Get this, get this, get this.
Yo, Spider, you're goofy. Okay. There's this one. There's that one. Ooh, that's actually. Ooh, I got some company coins. Let's go. Yo, I got a research point. Let's go.
I'm going down a level.
Up.
That's small.
Ow. Oh, I got research points from that thing. Yo, bro. It's still here. Found an ingot.
It's a nugget. We don't need nuggets.
Oh, yeah. Yo, that's where Angler was.
Right here, right here, right here, right here. Right here.
Wait, bro. I see Angler. I need to turn off my lights. Over here. Come over here.
Right here.
Bro, there was so much gold up there.
I know, I see it.
Okay, well, come up here.
Tra-la-la-la, no, actually no. I don't have a grabber, so this is bad.
Be quiet because Angler's here.
But they can hear us.
Yo,
Hey,
Angler,
buddy!
yo, goofy. Wait, does he only get attracted by light?
Yeah. Whatever. Why did you attracted by light?
No, yeah, I didn't attract it. My light's off.
Come on.
See its mouth. I see its mouth. It's stuck. Bro, it's stuck. You're good. Done. Oh, sorry. There's that one. There's that one. Hope you're getting this. There's one down. No, get those, bro.
Let me
Drop them
nugget.
down when they get... Yo, was that an ingot? Oh, that's just this. Ah!
That was you, not me.
Okay, let's go down. Let's see what
Ooh,
we could get.
jackpot! Jackpot! Hold on, can I
Yo,
mine stuff?
actual
Hold on, can I mine something? Can I mine stuff?
Yeah, here, go crazy. Go crazy.
I bet that. I'm gonna go crazy.
Yo,
Huh?
there's a big ingot right here that you'll miss. There's an ingot that we missed. I'm gonna go look outside to see if we dropped any big ingots.
Wait, what?
Checking if there's any ingots that we dropped that chunks.
I'm going crazy.
Yo, I found a nut shredder.
Isn't that sweet?
Bro, you're missing an ingot. You're missing an ingot.
I know.
Oh yeah, yo, Armstrong. Bro, Armstrong. Yeah, just to tell you, that's not strong. It doesn't do a lot of damage.
I mean, it did the job though. Ooh! There you go.
Wait, let me see it real quick. Let me see it. Oh, okay. Okay, I'm gonna collect. Look, no, I'm not gonna collect.
Han, let's go home. Let's go home and sell our stuff.
Ow.
Oh,
Yo, no, we have to collect all this other stuff.
I got a shield.
Oh, good. Collect, take out your bag. And collect. Yo, this is a cool shield. Okay, come on. Collect. Okay, I'm gonna drop that down, drop that, drop that. Those are some good stuff.
It's heavy.
Well, do you want me to try it?
Alright, come on. Hey, let's go now. Let's go now.
Oh yeah, let's go.
Let's go home.
Yo, someone.
Yo, what's up?
Yeah, I got a message. Did you get that message too?
You could get it? Wow. What an achievement. Alright, come on. Come on.
Okay, come on.
Line it.
Yo, try to grab on.
It's gonna be hard.
Dude, you need a grappler?
Yeah, I
You
need a grappler.
Okay, I just need a. Okay. How do I do this? Okay, I'm just gonna look off this. I need to get right here. Okay, take this grappler, and I'm gonna drill it. Ready and set, go. We're here. We're just inside. Okay, let's go drop down and sell our goods.
Shall I good indeed.
Okay, can I have my grappler back though? I'm a grappler. Thanks.
Here. Show me.
Okay.
Well.
Yeah, I know you can't die in there. You can't die. I know this is so you can't die. Are you duplicating it?
Now, hold on. And
Yo, we got 1,000.
hold on. Alright, guys. That was a mission success for today's video. Don't you think so? Don't you think so?
Yes.
Alright,
yes.
yeah. If you want more videos on him, make sure to comment. Even if there's no comments, he'll come back. Yeah. We're leaving now to record another video.
Yeah, but next video, we have to reveal my name. Beep, beep.
Yeah, so bye, guys.
Bye.